Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate method for sharing and selling your Notion templates, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a customized digital download, seamlessly link your Notion template, and package it into a product you can share or sell online. Whether you want to build a side hustle or just help others get organized, this process is easy, creative, and effective. So let's dive right in. We'll start by heading over to Canva. Canva is a fantastic platform for making digital downloads, and it's user-friendly even if you're not a designer. Now you can absolutely create your template design from scratch if you enjoy working with a blank slate, but for this walkthrough, I recommend searching for digital download templates directly within Canva. This will instantly bring up dozens of beautiful ready-made layouts, which save you time and help ensure your end product looks professional. Once you've found a template you like, the next step is to customize it and personalize it to showcase your specific Notion template. For example, if your Notion template is a planner, you might want to add visuals, icons, your branding colors, or even some friendly instructions. The goal here is to make your digital download appealing and clear. Think of it like the packaging for a product in a store. A little extra polish here can really make your work stand out. Now pay close attention to the placement of your download button. You want it to be front and center, easy to spot, and attractive. This is what your users will click to access your Notion template. Don't tuck it away in a corner or let it blend into the background. Imagine you were buying something online yourself. When buttons are obvious and inviting, people feel more confident navigating the download process. After you're happy with your Canva design, head over to Notion. Open the template you want to share. Maybe it's a project manager, habit tracker, recipe database, whatever you've crafted. In the top right corner, you'll spot the share option. Go ahead and click that. You'll see an option to publish your template to the web. This step is important because it lets people view the template without needing access to your Notion workspace. Make sure you also toggle the setting that allows duplicates. This gives your customers or viewers the ability to make a personal copy of your template in their own Notion account. Super important for them to actually use what you've created. Once you've published and set it to allow duplicates, copy your template's sharing link. This is the secret key that unlocks your template for everyone else. Now return to Canva and select the download button you set up earlier. You'll want to hyperlink this button using the Notion sharing link you just copied. Think of this step like connecting two puzzle pieces. Your Canva download design and your Notion template now work perfectly together. When everything looks good, save your finished Canva design as a PDF file. The PDF format is great because it keeps all your clickable links intact and looks professional on any device. And that's it, you're now ready to sell or share your digital template PDF on any platform you prefer, whether it's Etsy, Gumroad, your own website, or simply sending it over email. This process gives you a polished, clickable product that people can access with ease. If you run into any hiccups with sharing links or Canva exports, don't worry, it might take a couple tries, but you'll get it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to hit that like button and leave me a comment below with your questions or ideas for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides just like this. I'll see you in the next one.